To properly attach the cabinet doors to the cabinet, position the door next to the hinge mounts on the cabinet. Flip the top hinge back. Align the hooks on bottom hinge with bottom hinge mount. Slide into position. With a slight tap to the back of the hinge, clip into position. In the same manner, align the hooks on the top hinge with the hinge mount. Slide into position, and with a slight tap to the back of the hinge, clip into position. Check to ensure that both hinges are secure to the hinge mounts. To remove a door from the cabinet, while securing the door, locate the release on the back of the hinge to press and pull the hinge away from the mount. Repeat this procedure for all the hinges contained on this door before proceeding to remove the door from the cabinet.